I said, hey, yo. Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another dope sneaker, man. But this time it's not for men, it's not for grade school. It's for toddlers, man. My son is 2 years old. He's about to turn 3 next month. So I like to keep him in the freshest kicks, man, in the freshest gear, man. With that being said, I picked him up a pair of Lebron 16s. I haven't even got a pair of Lebron 16s for myself, but you know I got to keep the young boy fresh. I got him the Big Cat Edition LeBron 16s, man. This shoe I thought was dope, man, for kids, man. It comes with a bunch of different merch. It comes with t-shirts, socks, you know. Only Nike.com has this shoe, and they probably have it in a Nike store. If you guys got Nike stores, wherever you guys at, you're watching. But I picked these up online. You know, I got the shoe, I got them 2 shirts, and they also came with some socks, man, some dope hoodies. It's like a whole dope pack for kids, man. They got Kyrie's and they also got KD's also. So if you want, you can go to Nike.com and check that out. But before we get into the show, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we dropping new content to the channel. I know we've been away for a while, but we're about to get back in the groove of things. I got a bunch of dope shoes, a bunch of new ideas I'm bringing to you guys, so be on the lookout for that. And also, don't forget to check us out on our Instagram and our Twitter at PENNY_4YT. If you guys want to email us for any business inquiries, you guys can email us at P4YT2016@gmail.com. We got those hoodies coming back from last year. They sold pretty well. I'm bringing them back with some new and improved colors and some new dope designs, man. So be on the lookout for that. Enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. You guys have it, the LeBron 16 Big Cat. As you can see, it got a big cat in the front. Got the bottom sole. You see the LeBron logo right there. White sole here, man. I think this is like a super clean shoe for kids, man. I think it's dope. Got the big cat here. There's no laces because this shoe is a taller shoe. Has the orange fur on the inside. It gives it, you know, a different feel. Has the same material as the LeBron 16 for men, which is dope. They didn't cheat the kids. That's dope. Back here, it has this good suede. This is good suede back here. If you guys can check this out, you see this orange swoosh right here. Got another orange swoosh right here. You guys can see that. Let me see if I can get that a little closer. You guys can check that out. Orange swoosh there, man. Yeah, man. I think this shoe is super clean, man. That's why I picked it up for my son, along with a couple of the merch that came with it. I picked them up 2 shirts and 2 packs of socks to go with it. Thought it was super dope, man. I'm happy to see that Nike basketball is doing things like this for kids, where they're able to get shoes that's exclusively for them. I think that's super dope, man. You know, this whole pack is called the Little Big Cats. They have the LeBron, they have the KD, and they also have the Kyrie. So you guys can take a look at that. You know, it's only on Nike.com. So if you like this shoe and you want to get your hands on it, it's on Nike.com only. You head over there and get your kids a pair, man. I think if you gonna be fresh, your kids gotta be fresh, man. So you know, take care of the kids, man. And yeah, man, just super clean, man. Like it was a no-brainer for me. It was a no-brainer, man. I'm gonna try to bring more taller shoes to this channel, man. Like my son, once he puts on the shoe once or twice, it's pretty much dead. So I held these and didn't let him wear them, so he couldn't kill them like that. So you know, I had to do a review for it first, man. But we just getting back in the groove of doing videos and things like that. But let me know what you think about this shoe, man. Let me know if you like it. Leave it in the comments below, man. You know I gotta rate this shoe, man. So I'm gonna rate it like, you know, on a toddler level. I'm not gonna rate it like how I normally rate it. But out of 5 pennies, man, I definitely gotta give this shoe, man, 4.5, man. 4.5, man. 4.5 pennies out of 5, man. Cause this shoe is exclusively for kids, man. And I think that's dope that Nike basketball is doing that. But if you disagree with my rating, man, leave it in the comments below, man. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.